Hey guys, this is Anshka Gupta and welcome to my channel. Let's code and solve my Newton school. I hope you understood the concept of what are strings in Python in last tutorial. So today we're going to learn about string methods in Python. Before going to that, let's know what is Newton School. So Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. It has courses designed for fresher, working professional and also for women with non-tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and after that it helps you to become amazing full stack developer. And the best part is Newton School has pay after placement program which prepares you and you don't have to pay anything to Newton School until or unless you are being placed with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Let's know about string methods in Python. So the string is a sequence of character. That means a character, it simply means it's a symbol. For example, in English we have 26 characters. So that computer character, that doesn't mean that it has been a fully furnished part. No. So before going to that, it always deals with number. That means that it might be binary, it might be sequence part or boolean or integer float. So the conversion of particularly a character is being depending upon encoding part. That is mean that it's whether it's ASCII code or a Unicode code. So ASCII and Unicode both are being similar to each other in a popular way, and even though starting with a particular structure. So that how a string slicing is being done, or a particularly string method is being performed. So the string methods means you have a particularly a lot of numerical methods or verbally methods to get upon the string. So before going to the string methods, I would like to tell you like how many string methods and how they are being performed to. So there is string lower, that is mean to be convert all this character to the lower part by printing the string particularly. Then comes the string upper, convert all the character to uppercase. Then swap case, that means that lowercase will be swapped to uppercase and uppercase will be swapped to lowercase. Then comes to the title part. So title part, that means that it will be arranging the word accordingly to uppercase as well as to the lowercase. Then capitalize means that it will be changing uppercase to lowercase, furtherly as lowercase to uppercase. So here is some of the description of the list that escape the sequence supported by the Python, how the sequence has been done and what are the escape sequence and its description. So we are going to use a lot of escape sequence in Python, whether we are performing or being writing a lot of code and that. So these all are being used certainly with variable constitutions. And for the new line we use the backslash. Then for like backslash particularly is being used to get the new line. Then for the single quote, if we have to convert to the next line, we use the backslash single quote. Then double quote is there. And what is being done with the ASCII bell, ASCII backspace, ASCII form feed, line feed, carriage return, horizontal tab, vertical tab, character with octal value, and even though the hexadecimal. Before going to that, go and log into Newton School and perform your all the programs in the Newton School IDE. So here we're gonna study about one program utilizing the string method in that. So for formatting part, let's do it. The first of all the formatting part, what is being done. So when we use the format method for formatting string, that means like the string object is always being available in a versatile mode or versatile style, and possibility to format a string is higher to the double quotes. So curly braces are always being used in the format string, that is that it's a placeholder or it is a replacement fields in the string particularly with a sequence and the structure board meant to be creating a string a string in the object. So if we are being passing the arguments also in the string brackets as the curly bracket, so how they will be executing. So let's say if I have to make a program of Python string format method, string format. So how gonna we do it? If I have to pass only implicit order, only implicit order, what we gonna do? First of all, I'll be placing some value in that, that is any var or string name, or we're gonna start with curly braces, placing just an object part in that. And how object part is being done? By placing some value in it. So what if I have a default value only and only this part? Okay, then I shifted to format. What I have to format is, I have to format some names. John I can write upon, then any name, John, Bill, then it's seen, any name you can write upon. So what if I have been printing by using escape sequence, that is backslash to get to next line, and getting to next line. Okay, and after that I have to print a string that is being named accordingly to my default order. Okay, I have been entered some of the values in that, and the values are being given as the implicit order. The value is been given in the curly bracket, that is being suggested as the curly bracket to be formed upon, and the formatting is being done in the curly braces or the bracket I have been given to the default order, that is John, Bill and Sin. But I have to print the value in the next line, that is backslash n, and the output is being coming in the next line, the second line, because it's a backslash n and next line will be coming. So after that I have to print the value of default order, that is a string of have been mentioned upon, that will be John, Bill and Sin. Okay, that how a person is gonna use it, and after that pretend that if I don't have to write a default, I just have to write positional. I change it, and even if this part also I can change it, but it's not necessary because it's a predefined string. So accordingly, if I mandate this part again positional, so my n slash value will be changed as positional, as remaining will be same. Okay, now comes what if we are being changing a programs accordingly with certain definitions, with certain environments. That is also being possible. Like I have to change particularly capitalize, or I have to lower that value. How can I change it? So why when I've been using a capitalize, I've been using this string method. That means that it will return a copy of string with its first character, then it will capitalize it, and rest will be my small letters. Okay, so see, if I have been writing one example in that, that is I perform my string, any name I can give it. See, if I can give it hello Python, and after that I execute it as print my string, but print my string as capitalize, capital lies. Okay, again the execution will be taking place in that. Okay, Here is a mistake in that. I haven't put that in double quotes. So here the hello world will be coming as a capitalized, rest will be your small letters. What if I write the same as a case fold structure? That means like according to capitalize, I just change to case fold. Okay, the rest of the program is same. So the case fold means it will be changing to the Python, but it will not be getting to the original part. That means that it will return a case fold copy of the string, but the case fold means it's a caseless matching. Okay, that how it gonna change your whole program. So what if now my string should be same as hello, just shortened it, hello, and I print a value of x. My x is my string, and I can write it as a center part, center 12 comma, then again a center structure. Okay, now if I have to print the value of x, so the value of x is hello, and how it's been coming hello as the hyphen part, as a three hyphen in between, as a center structure. So what is now center structure? That it means that it will return a string centered within the given length in that, but padding is always being done using a specific filter, that is the default ASCII padding method. Original length will be converting to the width length, which is far more less than the width length. Okay, so this how the program is been written as the original length as well as to the string length. So string length doesn't matter at all, but the length is according to the padding we have been done furtherly. Okay, I hope the string methods have been clear to you all. So this how each and every string method is being used with a meaningful and the useful matter. Thank you. Do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.